You can use any of the three transistors. Remember the emitter base collector junctions. These three transistors are facing their flat surface toward us. A 1000 ohm resistance, a 100 microfarad capacitor. Here I am using 2N2222A transistor, which has more gain, and remember the curved surface is facing us. Therefore from the left it is collector, base, emitter. First, one terminal of the speaker is connected to the collector. Then one terminal of the 1000 ohm resistance is connected to the speaker, and the other terminal is connected to the base. Connect the 100 microfarad capacitor's negative terminal to the base. Now the 9-volt battery's positive terminal is connected to the speaker and the negative terminal to the emitter. Take a earphone and cut this part. You will get 4 wires, out of which green is the negative terminal. You can use a golden copper colored wire as the positive terminal. Connect the positive terminal to the capacitor and connect the negative green wire to the emitter. A source is plugged in. Can you hear that?